afternoon. Say good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Okay, so first off, I've got to give a disclaimer. This is their first time doing an unboxing video with me, so we might have a few bloopers, and I don't know, just hopefully think positive thoughts. Okay, so welcome to the LITLC. We're going to do our unboxing video. I actually opened the box Friday to make myself happy at the end of the day. And so now we're going to share with you some of the books that are new to our collection. Yay! All right, let the unboxing begin. I unbox. Okay, a book called Stargazing by Jen Wang. It's a ooh, let's smell it. Oh, it smells like Nirvana. Get it? No. Okay. No. Okay. It smells like Teen Spirit.
Teen Spirit.
So there we have, and it's a graphic novel.
Teen Spirit.
Okay. If you don't want to be on the video, you can't stand up, please.
Teen Spirit.
Seriously.
So many bloopers.
Okay.
So many edits. You have to edit us out.
Okay. Get serious. Stop. So let the unboxing begin, because now I'm going to have to cut that part out. So, Stargazing, Jen Wang.
I've seen that book.
Great book. Deja vu. The Battle of the Labyrinth, the Rick Riordan graphic novel.
I read the book.
Okay.
Very
Very good.
Can you move?
Be nice, ladies. Come on now, seriously. A royal guide to monster slaying with a female protagonist or female heroine. Wonderful. Best bad babysitters ever.
Yeah, that's us. That's us.
I mean, yeah. Yay.
That's us. Oh my, it's us.
Ooh, and I'm going to put this book over here because you guys,
Teen Titans.
yeah.
Ooh, well,
So
Raven,
Tammy
my favorite.
Garcia, Teen Titans, Raven. Yes, and I'll put that over here because I need positive energy only in order to hold these books.
I'm very positive energy.
Okay.
No, you aren't.
Hoax for Hire, ladies. Hoax for Hire.
I've heard of that book.
Have you?
Yep.
Oh, good things. A Storm of Strawberries. I don't remember this
I don't
one
like
at all.
strawberries.
That's
I love
my
strawberries.
Sounds familiar.
Oh, Darby is 12 years old and has Down syndrome. Her favorite things are music, chocolate, and her big sister, Katie. Okay, sounds interesting.
I like chocolates.
So, that's wonderful. Ooh, it's a cute cover. I almost said the wrong thing. Stay. Okay, so stay with a cute little puppy. Okay, wonderful. And so we can make a nice, neat little... Okay, yay. Dork Diaries in Espanol.
Jesus. No.
Yes. We have many students that want these in Spanish
How are we
language.
gonna read them?
You're taking Spanish right now. You can practice your Spanish.
My Spanish,
Monster Club. We're not talking about grades. Hunters for Hire has action. Ah,
Oh yeah.
that one.
Yay.
Thank you.
Oh.
The Truth as Told by Mason
The last one.
Boutel or Buttel. I think it's Boutel.
Yay.
I think it's a Project Lit or Black Eyed Susan book or both. I can't remember. I think
Of course, every book in this library.
no, not every. Just 99.9% of them.
Oh, I read that too.
The Last Olympian, Olympian, I messed up. The Last Olympian, the graphic novel.
The book is really good.
Ooh, sincere ooze. I like sincere ooze. Let me smell it.
How do you
That's
spell
neat. Smell it. The secret to one of the perks of being a librarian is you get to smell new books. Because a lot of times once people check out the books, the smell of the book changes. So you'll see. I'll let you know.
Wow.
Like the first one that I opened, Stargazing, smells really good. Okay, this one is Emmy in the Key of Code. Ah.
What? Unlock.
Oh, it's written like so it has free verse poetry and it's also written like a story. So yeah, and let me smell it. It's like a 7.75.
What else?
Rise of the Jumbies. This is actually I'm so out of it. I guess it is trifle if it's 3 though, right?
Daddy?
Trilogy! Oh my gosh,
I don't know what that
I'm
is.
losing it. It's like a trilogy. So yes, this is a popular book. 3.
3 first.
3 in the story.
Do we get any mom?
They're coming.
It hurts.
Zora and Me, the Cursed Ram.
Ooh.
I'm glad that was a sincere ooh. This is historical fiction. I'm going to give you guys some in a minute. This one I remember reading the reviews for it. You have to have a young adult lit permission slip in order to read it. Yep.
What is
So
it?
this one's called Kingdom of Souls.
Ooh.
So this, yep.
What is it about dead people?
It's because it's for high school. So when I look at the reviews, if it says it's for high school, and sometimes they even say like 8 to 12, you still have to have permission.
Is it about dead people? Sounds good.
High school, yeah. But you have to have a permission slip. Okay. Did you really have that? Dude.
She gets a look.
Are you for real? Moxie Girls Fight Back. Young adult lit. Let's see how it smells. Stand up. It smells like nothing. It smells like nothing. Zero, zilch, nada. This is a very popular book. I was excited when I heard about this one. This is Crossover by Kwame Alexander. And this is actually the graphic novel version of the book. So I think a lot of people are going to love this book. Yep, and let's see how it smells. Oh, wow. It smells pretty good.
It smells like trees.
Yeah. Get a fresh page.
It smells like trees.
I just said that and I didn't even have to smell it.
I want to smell a tree. I love smelling trees.
In Games, I think, yep, the sequel to Newsprints, which was a popular book last year. So, In Games, and it's a graphic novel. Let's see how this one smells. And it might be a 6, actually.
That's what it smells like.
Sometimes, let me show them something real quick. When you smell a book, a lot of times, especially if it has ink and colors and dyes and stuff, it changes the smell of the book. So that's just something to keep in mind. Sometimes the color, ink, makes it not smell so good. That's okay. I can't remember what book club this is part of. It's either Project Lit or Black Eyed Susan, or there's a third one. I can't remember what that is. You're not gonna be able to use this video. All right. So after the shot drops, this is a realistic fiction book. I think a lot of people will enjoy this book. This is young adult lit. Also, you can have a permission slip for that one.
What's up?
So real quick, let me point out something. So we have permission slips available to students who get those signed by their parent or guardian if they want to read a young adult lit book. One thing about the young adult lit books that we have here, they are appropriate for students to read. It's just that sometimes in the recommendations or reviews that I read, it might say, and I think I already mentioned this like 2 minutes ago, that it might be like grades 9 through 12. So one thing about some of the books, if you have a permission slip, you can read them. The other thing to keep in mind is that a lot of students last year, based on our survey that we did, said that they wanted more young adult lit books in here because they felt like a lot of the books that we had were too childish. Even though we're in middle school. All right, this is definitely a Project Lit book. This is a dystopian novel. This, because I love dystopian novels, you know, that where they're trying to create a perfect utopian society, but then it turns out bad, like The Giver and Hunger Games and Divergent. So this is on a similar realm of that. So this is, I always say it incorrectly. Well, yes, because you did a young adult lit permission slip. Oh, the first part to the Jumbies trilogy. So the Jumbies, I don't think it's the Jumbies, I think it's the Jumbies. Yep, so put that over there. Undefeated, which tells the truth. Ooh, and I see some more books on the back. Okay, so this is an actual story about a football player and the things that he went through on and off the field. So this is a great book. Jim Thorpe. I'll do this one last. The only one looking at that one. And this one's the Ghost Collector. Don't look inside the box.
Okay.
The Ghost Collector. So this is a, I think it's going to be kind of scary.
I like things about
Okay, and last but not least, I need a drum roll. We know we're probably going to use this video. Harlequin Breaking Glass, a graphic novel. Harley Quinn, sorry.
No.
This is young adult lit, so if you have the permission slip, which I don't remember.
I get you.
Okay, I'll double check in my folder. Ooh, wow, the pictures look wonderful.
They do.
Oh my gosh.
I used to have a Harley.
Wait a minute, let me spell it. Let me smell it.
Let me smell.
It doesn't smell that great. Hold on.
Smell it, does.
I don't think it's, you think it smells good?
smells good because it's Harley Quinn.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. This looks really cool. Who did the artwork? I'm just curious. Hold up a second. Okay. So I have to stop because someone's calling me. Someone just said my name over there. All right. So I'll probably end up doing this video again because my babies were not serious.
Sorry.
What?
All right. So I'll probably use this as bloopers because you were rolling in the chair and making
You went over
comments.
there somehow.
Thank you. All right. Thank you.
I messed up.
Okay, I'm going to think of a number 1 through 10 and see. All right. So stop it.